What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to create your own information product so that you can essentially get to what I consider to be the top level of making money online, which is having your own products to sell. You know, why is this the top level in my experience is because once you have your own products, not only are you establishing yourself as an authority, but you're also kind of eliminating any other dependencies that you might have to making money online. It's essentially you selling an information product to the customer. You don't need to sell it on a marketplace. You don't need to sell it, you're not selling somebody else's product. And that combined with the fact that you're establishing yourself as an authority in whatever niche you're in basically means that you build like brand credibility so that in the future it's easier to sell more and more products as well. Now, this is my first product right here. I mean, I have some like PDFs and stuff that I've made that I've given out for free, but this is like the first course that I've made that I'm actually charging money for. So basically what this is made up of two sections, and I store this in ClickFunnels, right? So essentially what happens with ClickFunnels is you build a sales page. Now this is not showing up correctly for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but ClickFunnels is a little weird like that. But anyway, just take it for what it is at this time. So like this is a little too wide. I'm not sure why it looks wide like this. Like if we look at the editor, it actually looks like this is how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to be like, see how it's like more, like narrow like this. This is how it's supposed to look. I'm not sure why it's showing up like super wide like this. I'll have to email support. But anyway, basically, the trick to information marketing is two steps. Number one, you want to have a sales page, okay? Now, I got this sales page from ClickFunnels itself, and I essentially just like traded out the copy that I had written, or that was already in there, for a 12-step formula that I will show you guys right now. I believe I've gone over this in another video, but this is a 12-step sales letter template that I essentially wrote every single section for this, right? Provide the solution, prevent the credentials, show the benefits, blah, blah, blah. I essentially did that, but with this right here, okay? So it looks like a lot, looks like I wrote like a ton of stuff in this and that like it's very overwhelming, but essentially what I did is I copied this and I just put it in this template right here, and I added my own little twist on it for whatever I'm selling. Now, the cool thing about this is, let's say the client decides to buy this product. It will take them to, see, this isn't showing up properly either, right? This is not supposed to look like this. But let's look at the edit page. Hopefully that will look a little bit more like it's supposed to. Yeah, so this is actually what it's supposed to look like. I need to record this video for this. I need to fix this logo, but essentially, like, once they purchase the initial product, right, this right here, it'll take them to this page. This is called an OTO, or a one-time offer. So this main course right here, this explains how I got a lot of clients as a freelancer through cold emails, right? And this right here is essentially how I used the same strategies that I used cold emailing to use a contact form submitter to contact, instead of 50 people a day, to contact like 10,000 people a day and like really boost my results to the next level. Okay, plus I give out all these extra bonuses, which is cool. They click this button if they want to add it, and yeah, I need to fix that too. Okay, so what are the benefits of a information product? Number one, you can establish yourself as an authority. Number two, when you establish yourself as an authority, you build brand credibility so that in the future people recognize your face, they recognize your name, they recognize that you have like good information that you're giving away or selling in this case. And it just becomes much easier once, like it's like anything else, like once you're famous, like your life is going to be much easier. I don't care like what it is, like people know who you are, your life is just easier, right? So that's essentially what we're doing here. We're just trying to make some money on the way. Now, in another video, I'm going to talk about how to pick the right type of information product to sell. But one thing you need to keep in consideration is that like a lot of people kind of are nervous about making an information product because they don't think that they're an expert. But You don't need to be like a world-class expert in order to make an information product. You just need to know more than the person you're selling it to, right? It's like the classic joke about being a piano teacher. Like, you don't need to be Beethoven. You just need to stay one lesson ahead of the kid that you're teaching. So that's basically my little spiel on this. As far as the course itself, right? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I could just count 15 plus 11 lessons right here. So total of 26 lessons if they buy the entire thing, as well as how many bonuses do I have in here? 8 bonuses, right? So this initial course that I'm selling right here is $100 or $97. And then this OTO, which is in my experience like much more valuable, is $500, right? Because I give them a lot of stuff that took me like 7 or 8 months to get. So that's basically it. And like, it's really not that hard to set up your own information product. Like, all of these videos, like essentially I filmed all of these videos doing the exact same thing that I would have done anyway over the course of a workday. I just turned on my webcam and like talked to the camera and narrated exactly what it was I was doing as I was doing it. So I'm sure all of you guys have like your own information product that you can make, that you can do. Don't worry if you're not an expert. Like, there's a really good book actually called Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson, which you guys should check out. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, it's pretty easy, and you know, definitely give it a shot. Cool. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and that's it. Peace.